आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question that was given to us was eliminate x from equation sin a plus x equal to 2b and sin a minus x equal to 2c. So the two equations that were given to us was sin of a plus x is equals to 2b. Let this equation be the first equation, and sin of a minus x equal to 2c. So now by adding that is equation 1 and 2, we get, by adding equation 1 and 2, we get sin of a plus x, that will be equals to sin of a plus x plus sin of a minus x is equals to 2 times of b plus c. And we know the identity that sin c plus sin d is equals to 2 times of sin of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. This is the identity. So now using this identity we will solve this question. So we get it was equals to sin a plus x plus sin a minus, it will become 2 sin c plus d, that is a plus x plus a minus x, which is 2a by 2, which is a, plus multiply by cos of c minus d, that is a plus x minus a, it will become 2x by 2, which is x, is equals to 2 times of b plus c. So this 2 and 2 cancel out. We get the value of cos x is equals to the b plus c divided by sin a. Or we can say that if we whole square both sides, we get it was equals to cos square x is equals to b plus c whole square divided by sin square a. Let this equation be the third equation. Now if we subtract equation 1 and equation 2, we get, if we subtract these equations, we get that is this value, that is sin a plus x minus of sin a minus x. So we get sin of a plus x minus of sin of a minus x equals to 2 times of b minus c, we can say that. And we know the identity that sin c minus sin d is equals to 2 sin, that will be equals to c minus d by 2 cos of c plus d by 2. So now by putting values we get this was equals to the, so now by applying formula it will equals to the 2 sin c minus d, that means a plus x minus of a minus x, we get x. And similarly cos c plus d, that will we get x and x cancel, we get cos of x. This will be the a minus x, so we get this was equals to the sin x. And when we add a plus x, so it will be equals to the, we get a, that will be equals to 2 times of b minus c. So this 2 and 2 cancel out. We can say that the value of sin x is equals to b minus c divided by cos a. If we whole square both sides, we get sin square x is equals to b minus c whole square divided by cos square a. Let this equation be fourth equation. Now by adding this is what, by adding third and fourth, this is adding, by adding third and fourth equation we get, so the third equation is our, that is cos square x equal to b plus c whole square divided by sin square a, that is cos square x is equals to b plus c whole square divided by sin square a. Similarly the fourth equation is, that is this is the our third equation, we know that. So by adding third and fourth we get this was equals to cos square x plus sin square x, left hand side is like this, equals to b minus c whole square divided by cos square a plus b plus c whole square divided by sine square a. So we know the value that the cos square x plus sine square x is equals to 1. So we can say that 1 is equals to b minus c whole square divided by cos square a plus b plus c whole square divided by sine square a. So we have eliminated the value that is x. So this is our final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।